Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am really excited because we are finally playing with the Glamlite and Mikayla collab. This is pot 2 and I love Glamlite's formulas. The shimmers are absolutely stunning. We do swatch those shades as well as go back and forth on what we're gonna actually do with this. Now you guys, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, hit the bell for notifications of new videos, and if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. But if you want to see how I got this look using the Glamlite and Mikayla palette, as well as my thoughts on the lip release, just keep watching. Okay, I have been putting off using this palette, but I think it's time that we dive into it. And this is the Mikayla and Glamlite Pot 2. First off, can we talk about this? Her makeup is stunning in this. And I was looking at it, and when I originally looked at the palette, it looks predominantly green, blue, and purple. But there are some light shades in here, so I kind of want to play with some of those and just deepen up the outer V. But you guys, she is stunning. Love this. I'm actually gravitating towards this look right here, so maybe we can do something close to that. Now, besides the outer carton having glitter everywhere, there's actually like glitter inside here. So, because when I got it, I was like, what is that sound? And I could hear the sprinkles just shaking around. But let's talk about this color story. I'm loving some of these lighter shades, and I know I just did a look with pastels, but I feel like we're going to use some of the deeper shades in the outer V and then use some of these lighter shades just in this area. Now, we need to dive in and swatch some of these shimmers. You guys, this is going to make all kinds of noise. There are a lot of shimmers in here, so it's going to take a second to swatch all of them. Okay, literally the top row is just all shimmers. This first shade is glazed. It's an icy white, beautiful for the inner corner. Might be a little too icy for the brow bone, but we'll see. Then you have Sparkly with an H. This is such a pretty duo shift. It goes between purple and blue. Then you have Poppin', and this looks like that shade that I was seeing in that picture. It looks absolutely stunning. It does have a shift, kind of like a blue, purpley teal. Then you have Dreams, which is just a luscious kiwi lime green. Let's go ahead and swatch those right there. Yes, I really want to play with that one. This shade is Insane. It's very similar to this green right here, but it leans more like a jungle green. Then you have Cloud 9. That teal is absolutely beautiful. Then you've got Glitta with an H. And then you have 11, 20, 21. Such a pretty gold shade. I'm going to swatch those right here, but I'm also going to run out of room for the shimmers. I still want to play with this one. This one is Gold AF, and you have this gold right here, and then this one's a little bit deeper, so it's probably a little more bronze, if I would say so. Then you have Stobbies. That's such a beautiful chocolate brown shade. You have Grateful. Oh, love the emerald green. And then the Mocket. These are stunning. I'm gonna go ahead and I've never swatched them on my tattoo. Oh, look at how they just stand out. You guys. These shimmers, they are so buttery smooth. They feel amazing when you're swatching them, and they just stand out on my tattoo. These last 4 shimmers are so stunning. This is Oh My God. Love that. It's like a purpley pink shift with a little hint of teal, kind of. Maybe that's just the camera and the lighting. Then you have Baddie. Oh, those two together are stunning. There's so many options in here. Then you have I Love You. That blue is amazing. And then You, which these two paired off and these two paired off, I think those are just magical. We're gonna go right here and swatch those. Oh, look at that, you guys. Oh. So looking at the shimmer shades was the most difficult decision, trying to figure out which way I wanted to go. I do know that I want to use the shade Poppin', which is that really icy duo shift to like a greenish teal. But do I want to play with the blues or the greens for this? This is a difficult decision because I don't want to go like too crazy and super bold with no like gradient. But I do know that I want to use the teal shade, the Commons, and I need something in the crease, but there's not really like a nude brown shade to put there. So on a fluffy crease brush, I'm going to take the shade 𝐂𝐓𝐇, and I'm going to ever so slightly put that in the crease. I'm going to try. I picked it up a little bit. We're going to see what we can do. Oh, that is pigmented. The nice thing is this shade is blending out beautifully with this smudge brush. Forgot what I was using. It's blended out for now. Now I'm gonna go into this really dark teal shade, the Commons. Same crease brush. I'm just gonna put it in the outer V and lower in the crease, but I'm gonna put it on there a little bit more muted before I deepen it up. All right, same color, just a different brush. We're just gonna deepen it up a little bit. Now, I think to deepen up the outer V, I'm gonna take Blackest Black and just right here in the outer edge, just to give some dimension. See, just a little bit more dimension. I really like how that turned out. It may have been too much black, but I'll try and put some more teal back in there. So back into the Commons, I'm just gonna place that right here on top of the black and push it outwards. So we got the black, we got some more teal back in there. Okay, now I'm gonna take the shade Poppin' on a dry brush, see how well it goes on. And I really do like Glamlite eyeshadows because a lot of times those shimmers will go on a dry brush. And it's just playing with that teal. Just picked it up a little bit on my ring finger. Ooh, absolutely what I was going for. Love this. Let me go do some other face products and finish off this eye. I'll be right back for the rest of it. Okay, we need to finish this under eye. I have some lip products and then we'll be done with this look. Well, of course, after eyeliner and brows. Let's talk about this under eye. So I know I blended out 𝐂𝐍𝐄𝐄𝐓 to where it was a lighter shade, but I think I'm gonna actually mix two shades to tone it down. Okay, so for the under eye, I think I'm going to blend 𝐕𝐈𝐃𝐄𝐓 and 𝐂𝐍𝐄𝐄𝐓 and bring that under. It might be too dark, but we'll see. Just tapped in ever so slightly. I'm gonna place it right here and just blend it under. Now going into the Commons and just bringing it to the middle. And now into Blackest Black, just dipped in a smidge just to place it right here to deepen it up a little bit. Eyeliner, mascara, brows, and I'll be back for lips. Okay, so I thought the eye look was done and then I realized I forgot to do inner corner. I went ahead and used the shade Glazed, but I didn't do the brow bone so we could do that together. I don't normally do that after I do my brows, but whatever. Ooh, that is so glittery, but it is so pretty. Such a pretty shade. If you have not picked this up, go get it. I know that it's being sold at Ulta. I saw a post about it a couple weeks ago. I love how my eye look turned out. Now, we do have the Lucky Charm lip set. I love this packaging. I love the glitter on it, but I have no need to keep packaging. You have a lip liner, a lipstick, and a lip gloss. All right, looking at the lip liner, it looks like it's gonna be a nude shade, which I'm okay with. And then the lipstick, you just push the top in, it'll actually launch it out. That is really pretty and nude. Oh, there's an interesting, like, it's not smooth. There's like an interesting design on it. I don't know if you can really see it, but I do like this component. And then you have a glitter lip gloss for on top. Kind of glad that I wore my hair back so I can wear the lip gloss though. Let's jump into this lip liner. This looks about the same color as my skin right now, which isn't bad. But I do go for like more of a pinky nude than a orange nude. I do have to overline my lips because they are not symmetrical. All right, we'll see what it looks like with the lipstick on. And if I have to, I'll go with a darker shade. Oh, it feels so creamy. I wanted to like this. It's just, it's too light. I've literally just did concealer mouth. Oh, I really wanted to like this. So this is a no for me. Okay, so on my desk I have the Huda Beauty Lip Contour 2.0 in Muted Pink. We're going to switch over to that real quick. The good thing is I already saw the line that I had already drawn. And then the Complex Culture Pout Clout Lipstick in Owns It. This one is a little more pinky than blue, and the lip liner is more blue than pink. But I know that I like this combo. Okay, lips, they're where they're gonna be, and we're gonna go ahead and try out the lip gloss. It's just, I like something a little more pinky. That shade would have been nice if I didn't have a tan and I was a little more pale, might have pulled it off. I don't know, I tried it, it's just not my thing. Okay, so I like the doe foot applicator on this. There's no scent, which is not a bad thing. You guys, the lip gloss has so much glitter in it. It feels so nice on the lips. Do you see the green glitter? Okay, you guys, this is the final look. The lips feel amazing. This lip gloss, just, it's so nice and like slippy and glossy and juicy. Do you see how awesome my lips look right now? I can't necessarily see the green glitter. I know it was on there when I applied it, but now it's just blended in with the lipstick. Okay, you guys, this is it for the final look. I really like how my lips turned out. I know I had to go into a different shade, but you know, there's just preference. That shade was a little bit too light for me. Maybe I've got a friend who will get better use out of it. It's not my thing. I do, however, like the lip gloss. It feels so nice and juicy and just, so beautiful on the lips. So I do like the lip gloss. The color shade was a little bit too light. Now, let's talk about this eyeshadow palette. First off, I think the packaging itself is super cute. I do like the confetti that's in here is actually a lot of fun. It does make a little bit of noise, which I was like, oh no, did it shatter in shipping? Nope, that's just how the palette is. I do love that there is a ginormous mirror in here. And then this color story is absolutely stunning. There are some definite shades in here that I want to go and play around with and just get a full feel for this. The shimmers are so buttery smooth. They went on seamlessly. This shade right here with a dry brush went on like I applied it with my finger. This Glamlite does not disappoint, and I'm glad that they partnered with Mikayla again. This is a stunning palette. You guys, I love how my eye look turned out using this palette. So definitely let me know, are you picking it up? Is it not your thing? Do you already have it? Let me know. Put those comments down below. I do know that there were a couple other things that were released with it. There was a highlighter trio. That just wasn't my vibe. I've got a lot of highlighters this year. I've been focusing on just buying what I personally want and not overbuying. I realized in my second declutter that I did this year that I have a lot of makeup. So as much as I wanted to purchase it, I knew I had similar items in my collection already. Now you guys, let me know your thoughts down below. Are you picking up the collection? Did you already pick it up? I know that they started releasing it at Ulta, so let me know your comments and I'll interact with you down there. Now you guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications, new videos. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And until my next video, you guys, bye. I'll see you in the next one.